Very good evening, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Right, all of you stay home, stay safe, learn well. Okay, students, we are in the chapter Animal Reproduction. Right, so reproduction means the process by which animals produce young ones of their own kind is known as reproduction. Right, animals reproduce in two ways, by laying eggs or by giving birth to young ones. Birds, insects, amphibians, fish, and reptiles reproduce by laying eggs. Okay. Students, today in this class we are going to know reproduction in insects. Okay. All insects are lay eggs, right? The young ones of most insects are very different from adults. Okay, they undergo many changes before becoming adult. Okay, so this process of transformation of young one of an insect into an adult is called metamorphosis. Okay, here meta means many and morphosis means change. Okay, so the process of transformation of the young ones, okay, of an insect into an adult. Okay, this process is called metamorphosis. Okay, all of you see here in this picture. Okay, the metamorphosis of butterflies. Okay, and some insects such as butterflies and houseflies undergo complete metamorphosis. Okay, each stage of their life cycle is different from others. Okay, so now let us learn more about their life cycles. Okay, students, now we are going to know life cycle of a butterfly. Okay, butterflies are insects. Okay, they belongs to invertebrates. They do not have any backbones. Okay, a butterfly lay eggs on a leaf, right? And egg hatches into a tiny caterpillars. Okay, the caterpillars spends all its time eating. Okay, it becomes bigger and fatter after a few days. It stops eating and finds a safe place to rest. Okay, the caterpillar now spins a protective silk casing called cocoon, okay, around its body. This stage in a butterfly's life cycle is called pupa. Okay, inside the cocoon, the caterpillar begins to change into a butterfly. Okay, when the butterfly is ready to come out, the cocoon splits open. Slowly, the butterfly crawls out, dries its wings, and flies away. Okay, thus a butterfly goes through four stages in its life cycle before becoming an adult. Students, now let's watch a small video about life cycle of a butterfly.
Life cycle of butterfly. Butterflies. We all love them. They are colorful and very beautiful. Butterflies reproduce by laying eggs. The eggs hatch and caterpillars or larva comes out of it. A caterpillar's first food is its eggshell, from which it came out. Then it enjoys eating leaves. Then comes a stage when it stops eating and begins to rest. At this stage, the caterpillar spins a protective silk casing around its body. This casing is called cocoon. The caterpillar is now called the pupa. The pupa changes itself inside the cocoon. After some days, a colorful and beautiful butterfly comes out. It breathes in the air around. Makes its wings strong and flies away.
Students, next we are going to know life cycle of a cockroach. The cockroach is brown in color. Okay, it feeds vegetables and some fruits. Okay, as like in the life cycle of butterflies and houseflies, cockroach too have many stages in the life cycle. A female cockroach lay its egg in a case in a dark and safe place. Okay, each case has many eggs. The eggs are left to hatch on their own. Each egg hatches into a young cockroach called nymph. Okay, it look like an adult cockroach, but is much smaller and does not have any wings. Okay, the nymph eats leftover food, paper, cloth, and so on. Okay, it grows bigger and sheds its skin several times before it becomes an adult. Okay, this shedding of skin is called molting. Okay, thus a cockroach goes through three stages in its life cycle before coming an adult. Okay, the three stages are egg, nymph, and adult. Okay, so students, in this class we have discussed about life cycle of a butterfly and life cycle of a cockroach, right? If you have any doubt, ask in online session. All of you should follow given worksheet. Thank you, students.